Well, good morning. It's another beautiful cockatoo morning in paradise. We've got all our friends here today and some more flying in. And a few friends hiding out the back. See who we have here. We've got a great position on the outpost there. Let's see, that was Cranky Frankie. Here's Duncan. Ready for action. Good morning. These guys are just seeing off the rainbow lorikeets. Going for second breakfast now. And we've got a few more friends over here. Cranky Frankie's got a friend over there. Likes to keep watch. On the outpost there, looking out for the flock. You can see it's a beautiful day here, going for 35 degrees. So we're here in Melbourne, Australia, in the Yarra Valley. We've got some of our cockatoo friends. Hello. They all have their own unique personalities. So here we have two-top. You can see from the crest there, a very unique crest. We've got a beautiful girl here wanting to come down. Clementine here that's sizing us up. Oh, someone's found the booty. And when you turn your back, they think no one can see them. Let's see if we can get a closer look. So eating the lorikeet's apple, absolutely loving it. Don't touch the skin. Our friends are just watching here. Well, careful. They're very quick with the apple. They try and eat it before anyone else can get to it. They're gorgeous, they look in the sun. There we go, we're still on the outpost, working our way around. Oh, hello. They came a bit close then. Oh, isn't this beautiful? So when the feeding's over, there's no competition. You sit back and groom. Or perch and sleep. And there's always a wingman. Getting sized up here. Uh-oh. Clemi. We could be in trouble. I'm not moving a muscle here. Whoa. That was close. So these guys love to put on a morning show. No, Glenn. She thinks I've got more seed in my pocket. Hey, come on. Behave yourself. Oh, come on guys, play nice. Come on. She's getting bossy now. I think someone's trained her to land on a person. Well, crest's up, good morning. So this is our little wild bunch. You can see Frankie over here. Beautiful girl, loves to put her crest up. She can't fit it all in. So some hangs out the back and out the sides. Absolutely gorgeous. Right, we're going to stand back here for safety purposes. Clam. Hey. No. Come on. Good girl. Yeah, she's already had a good feed, a drink, hung out with her friends. And then these guys take off for the day and hang out. They're already starting to peel off. We always have a friend here. See the beautiful crest here? Got a triple crest. these guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful in the sunshine. Happy to hang out.